Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some hair transformations. We start off with this beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. Looks like she ended up getting a beautiful inverted bob hairstyle. And then we move on to the next hair transformation. Oh wow, so she ended up getting an asymmetrical pixie cut. This is a very popular hair trend right now that we're seeing. The bangs are kept much longer in the front, creating this gorgeous asymmetrical shape. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have a hair color transformation. So her hair already featured a pop of blonde, and it looks like she's switching it up to some hot pink. This hair color is absolutely unreal. So gorgeous. Love her curly strands. Beautiful. Up we have someone with a middle-length haircut, and it looks like she's going to be cutting her hair into a bob. So she ended up getting a very chic and simple lob haircut. Next up, we have another long to short hair transformation. Looks like she's also going to be getting some color as well. And she ended up getting a beautiful tousled bob. Gorgeous. And then we have another stunning asymmetrical bob haircut. Beautiful. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.